Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 8 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to start adding the kitchen. Now we're going to continue on this. I want to focus on probably the top cabinet and then the island. So now let's go back to level 1 and let's select section 1 as well. So here we're going to use the same one. So select this, edit in place, and we're going to create an extrusion, pick a plane, and we're going to select this wall, and we need to change this. So 0 start, and then here we could add probably 400 for the top cabinet. And then here we want to use Gulam 36, the one that we use on this cabinets. And then here I'm just going to add a boolean, so around 250, make it maybe 200 only. Click finish, go to 3D to extend this, align it from this extension, and then those cabinets will fall under that. Go back to section, create extrusion again, pick a plane, select this wall, 400 is already set. So I'm just going to add this one right here, and we want to make sure that this is 800 and same material. So Gulam 36, and the only thing that I don't like is this one is protruding right here. So I probably want to change right here. I'm gonna move this wall. So I'm going to click on finish this first, delete all the mullions, so I'm gonna select all of this instead, filter this, and then wall grids, and then mullions. So I'm just going to select all the mullions and maybe the curtain grids and then delete them. There we go. So that's very useful to use is the filter. And then here I'm going to change, we can move this one right here so that we have enough space, and I think that's good enough, much better. And then curtain grid first, I'm just going to put it in the middle, similar to others, and then here just click all. So that's how easy it is to fix, and then it's not protruding on this side. So now let's go back to section 1, and what we're going to do is we're going to add this one as well. So select this, edit in place, and we could do extrusion, pick a plane, select this plane right here. Now 10, select here, and actually I think it's much better if we copy the way we have on the bottom. So I'm just gonna copy the way it is so that everything looks much better right here, and then align it on this side and then on this side. So now it's much better. I could grab this one, copy, and it will be a lot faster to add. And then at the same time on this side, copy again, and it's a lot faster to add. And then let's just align it at the end right here, and maybe this one we could just force it to go on this side, and then 10. And then now click on finish, and then after that void extrusion again, pick a plane, and we're gonna choose this. Here we need to put -5 again, and then 5. Click apply, click rectangle, offset it to 50, and just click on the end on all of them. To make it a lot faster, just do the ones that are not standard. This one are standard. Copy it on one corner to just make it a little bit fast. Click on finish, cut geometry, and then finish again. And if we see 3D, it will look like that. We just forgot to make this one. This is supposed to be 10 only. So don't worry, it will fix itself because we put it on those planes. So the void form is not gonna be troublesome. It's going to fix itself. So that's good. We have the top portion right here. Might as well fix this one. So have the same look as what we have on this. Let's do section. I'm planning to add probably an open area here, so I'm going to void this. Void extrusion, pick a plane, void this one. I'm going to just select something like this. Align it so that everything is aligned, and then go to 3D, and then just push it like that, and then cut geometry. So now it looks much better, but we're not done yet because we could. So let's add Gulam 36. This is Gulam 36. So everything is Gulam 36. We just need to add the same cabinet on the side. So extrusion, pick a plane, Gulam 36. This one should be 10, and this is supposed to be 0. Let's add an offset here of 10, going inside, and then here, get it from the corner, and I'm going to align the ones at the bottom so that everything, the one at the top, there we go. There we go, right there. And then align it from the top. And then here again, might as well do it. There we go. Looks much better. Maybe put a break here. Offset this to 10. And then SL. and then trim and extend. There we go. And then just click finish. And we're not yet done. We're gonna say do the same thing. Extrusion, pick a plane, and then -5, and then 5 here. Offset 50. This one is too short, so we cannot do it. Maybe if we put 25, let's do 25 instead. So here we're going to do this like that. There we go. And click finish, and then select cut geometry. Look at it in 3D, and it looks good. I'm happy with the way it looks. So next thing we're gonna do is we're going to add our island. So let's go to level 1, and then here we're going to go back to architecture, model in place, and then here generic model. We're going to extrude this, and we're going to choose a different wood material. Maybe the 36H is already used, 32H as well, 24C is not. So I'm going to use that. Select right here. This will be 0, and this one will be 875 is the height that I'm going to use. I'm going to have it right here. We can extend it more. So 1000. And this one should be 2200. Let's move it in the middle so we have enough spacing. And then we can add in more right here because we could just move this one a bit on the side. So after that, click on finish. Look at it at 3D to see how it looks. Now we just need to add kick plate on each side. So I'm gonna use void sweep, but only on one side first. Pick, edit profile, this one. Let's maintain the 50 by 100 so that we're very consistent with all of what we're doing. Click finish, and then finish again, cut geometry. And then we're going to do it on the other side. Void sweep again, pick path, select the path, go back here, edit profile, select this one, and do this right here, and then 50. Click on finish, and then finish, and then cut geometry. So like the way it looks. Now I'm going to create something here I want the countertop to wrap around here, falling water or something like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to click on create, extrusion, set. I'm gonna set it on this plane, and then I'm going to go to section right here, and as you can see we have it right there. Select here, and this one we're not gonna use that, but we're going to use another stone. I'm just gonna use the granite, same thing. Granite rough. And then here we could wrap this one around. I'm just working on this one, and then trim and extend all of this, and then delete the ones that are not needed. And then here we need to put 25 on each side to make it consistent with everything else. 25. And then here we could just put 600 for now. Click on finish. Let's look at it at 3D. And then now we just need to move it on the other side like this, and we're going to give something right here, and then here probably we're going to move it a little bit like that as well. Also here we're going to align it, align it on this face for some of this. Click finish first, AL. Let's just move it so that everything is aligned. And then here we could add in some furniture. So I'm just going to move this one a little bit on this side. We have plenty of room. Insert, load family, go to seating, furniture, and we're going to choose this one, stacking, CM, and then let's add it on this side. CO, add it again, multiple times, around 3 is good enough. And then just space it out nicely. So now I'm also going to load in the equipment, domestic. We have mid-range here, and we're gonna do some cooktop. I'm probably going to use the electric. So click on open, CM, and we're going to add the cooktop right here in front. Select that, and then uncheck, and then apply, OK. After this, the range hood as well, so load family, go back here, high end, and then we could have this one, the hood island. Click open, CM, and then we have the hood vent all the way right here, and then select that, and then here we could just uncheck the show label, And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to move this one a bit right here and then double click again. Here is the hood, so MV, move it at the top like that. I'm going to lower it a bit, and then we could extend this stem right there. I want to make sure the cooktop is visible. So the cooktop is actually good. It's all the way right there, so it's visible enough. Want to make sure to click on find so every detail shows. And then what I want is to move this one right here. Even though it's not visible, I know that we haven't put any cabinet here. So I'm gonna put the cabinet, add it in place, extrusion, pick a plane, and I'm gonna choose this plane, select rectangle, type in 10 for offset, and usually this is what I do, put it in the middle like that, and then let's add probably somewhere right here and somewhere right here. Maybe it's too much, make it 400, and then here 410. Offset this to 10. There we go. And offset again to 10. I forgot on this side and on this side. And I'm just going to copy the spacing that we have on this side. Just gonna copy this 400, and I think that's good enough. Copy this to 400 again, and then offset 10. And I'm just going to add some drawers right here and on this side to change it up. Offset 10, and then SL, and then on this side as well. Okay, so now let's trim this on this side now, because we got it on the other side. Trim this one right here, and join those, and join again, because we're going to reconnect them. There we go. Let's trim this, delete this, and I believe we're good. Click on finish, and then lastly we're going to do the extrusion, but this one should be 10 only. And then now we need to do an extrusion. Pick a plane, we're gonna choose this, -5, and then 5 again. Click here, offset to 50, and then just finishing up, and then there we go. So click finish, cut geometry, and finish again. And let's see on 3D how it looks, and it looks much better. We just need to we just forgot to change the material. Coolant 36, and there we go. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.